Local news for Wednesday the 25th of July. Masterton residents will be encouraged to do their bit for the environment this summer as new water restrictions force the need for conservation. Acting Chief Executive David Hopman says that water conservation is a priority under this policy as the council works to ensure sustainable environments for future generations. He says water conservation is incredibly important for our district and it's only going to become more scarce in the future. The top pub in Greytown are officially the best place in the region to have the perfect pour of Heineken. They're also in the top 16 in New Zealand and will compete in Auckland to hopefully represent New Zealand in Holland on the international stage. And in sport, no wins last weekend for the Dalefield Hockey Club, the men drawing 1-1 and the women going down 2-1. The women, however, do remain top of the table with the men in second, just 2 points off the pace.